Hey guys, I just got my 3/8 inch gauge, 193 peg, 36 inch universal S loom in the mail today from Cindy Wood Looms. Before I do a lot of talking about it, I'll show you what else you get with it. This is actually the September pre-order loom. It will ship out, I think they usually ship them out the mid of the next month. So I'd say around October 15th, they'll be shipping them out. So all the information to order them, if you'd like to, is actually in the description below. You get a loom tool, you get a wedge, which is really cool. And I'll show you this compared to the other wedge, because you cannot use just your other wedge for this. It's the same concept. See, this wedge is a lot smaller. So you put that down in, and you put this on the bottom of it. You get a tensioner, you get directions, and you get a loom tool. Now, what I really like about the gauge of this loom is that you can make anything from a baby blanket to a twin-size blanket in one panel, and you can make it using just a single strand of your worsted weight 4-ply yarn, like your basic Red Heart or the Caron Simply Soft. You know, you can use just one strand and make something with it, and it'll turn out really nice. With the wedge, you can do smaller things. You can still do hats and socks or whatever with the wedge. This loom does not come pre-marked for the figure 8 or the rib stitch, but I will be doing videos on how to do those, so do make sure you are subscribed to my channel and the Cindy Wood Loom channel as well, because I will be doing videos for both. I'll probably do one of the stitches for mine and the other stitch for theirs, so their information will be in the description below as well. Now, the 36-inch loom is the one on pre-order right now. They do have the 48 and the 60 in the 3/8 gauge already. Now the 48-inch one, it will do up to a full-size blanket in one panel, and it has 248 pegs. The 60-inch will do up to a queen-size blanket in one panel, and has 322 pegs to it. So those ones are already on the website for order. This is the pre-order loom, and it is the pegs they use for the smaller gauge looms they've been doing. So they have some give to them, which that should be good to help keep your tension from getting too tight. That's really all I've got for this. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Or you can email me or through the contact us section on cindywoodlooms.com. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.